how do I calculate break-even ACoS and what if a keyword is above it? So it's really important for us to know the break-even ACoS, and the way how we are going to calculate it is break-even ACoS is sales price minus COGS minus fees minus other COGS, then divided by sale price. And that basically it's going to be a percentage. Now that percentage, whenever you're going your ad console and you're going to see, hey, my ads, it says that it's 80% ACoS. If your break-even ACoS is 50%, that means that you are paying more for ads and that you're not profitable on that. We have that nailed down, right? So we understand now how we calculate the break-even ACoS. So everything above break-even with enough clicks, you would cut bids here. Really important. You're not stopping the campaign. You're not pausing it. You're finally generating sales. What you want to get is generate the same amount or similar amount of sales with the least amount of spend as possible. And here what you would do, as I was saying, you would cut bid, you would tighten match times, or even pause if you see that there's really no conversion, there's no reason to hope here. If you see clearly I got 20 clicks, it's not converting, it's one of the keywords that I want to rank for, right now it's not working for me, you are going to the second keyword. So you're not going to just hope for it for conversion. Now when it comes down to break-even ACoS, the next thing can be is that you're near break-even ACoS, but strategically. So you have rank or defense campaigns / protect campaigns. In this case, we would keep a clear budget cut or cap in this case, because that is going to allow us to cut the spend whenever it's not anymore like making sense for us. But yet still we cannot cut the campaign itself. It's really important that whenever you would be below your break-even ACoS and it has volume, for example, you would be scaling your bids budget carefully. Why? It's because, again, you're learning from experience, either from yourself, either from others' experience. Back when I started running ads for our own brands, what I noticed is that I was so excited that, oh, amazing, now I'm cutting even more the bids and I get more sales and things are working well. What happened is that I continued cutting bids and then I just lost all the sales. So really important whenever you are below break-even ACoS, yet you have say 20 orders for that specific keyword and or even product targeting, be very cautious.